Have you ever been surprised when a company gives cheaper phones the same big software update as its more expensive models? Usually, budget or mid-range devices have to wait at the end of the line while the flagship phones get all the attention. But this time, Samsung did something that really caught people off guard. And it's good news if you own the Galaxy F36 or the Galaxy M36. Samsung has officially started rolling out the One UI 8.0 update, based on Android 16 to these two phones in India. And the timing is what makes this so interesting. According to Samsung's own rollout schedule for the country, over 70 devices are set to receive this update in October. Most people expected that the newer, pricier flagships would be first in line, while the Galaxy F36 and M36, being more affordable options, would have to wait until later in the month. Instead, Samsung flipped the script. Both phones are already receiving the update, and that's a big win for users who didn't think their devices would get priority. The update for the Galaxy F36 is about 2,344 megabytes in size and comes with firmware version E366BXXU4. The Galaxy M36's update is slightly bigger at 2,359 megabytes, with firmware version M366BXXU3 in short. This is not a tiny patch, it's a full software upgrade that brings a fresh Android version and all of Samsung's new One UI features. If you own either of these devices, getting the update is simple. Just head into your phone's settings, scroll down to Software Update, and tap on Download and Install. The rollout has already started, so chances are it's waiting for you. Now, what exactly are you getting with One UI 8.0? Compared to One UI 7.0, this new update comes packed with visual refinements, smoother animations, better privacy controls, and system optimizations that make your phone feel more responsive. It's not just about looks either. There are meaningful quality of life changes tucked inside that make everyday use more enjoyable. For those who love to read through every little detail, Samsung has posted the full changelog, and of course, there are videos showing all the new tricks One UI 8.0 brings to the table. What makes this update even more exciting is the future. Samsung isn't stopping with One UI 8.0. The company is already working on One UI 8.5, which is expected to debut in February 2026. That version is rumored to bring an updated design, new personalization features, and even tighter integration with Android 16's enhancements. And here's the key part, both the Galaxy F36 and the Galaxy M36 are eligible for it. So buying these affordable devices doesn't mean you're cut off from major updates down the road. This is part of Samsung's bigger strategy in recent years. They've shifted from treating software updates as an afterthought to making them a core selling point. Extending updates to more models and delivering them faster shows that Samsung understands how important long-term support is for customers. Whether you buy a premium flagship or a mid-range Galaxy,